Hello, my name is Brandon Sivluja. I'm the first presenter from my group. In this project, 16 components are selected from Superbike motorcycle, which is to apply the DFE of the production. In this project, DFE will be applied to give more understanding about this chapter. So DFE is a design of environment. It used to reduce the overall impact of a product, process, or service on human health and the environment, while considering this impact throughout the life cycle. In this project, we will focusing on the environmental impact of the superbike motorcycle production process and the eco-cost value of the superbike by using LCA, eco-design web, and the eco-indicator. This is the 16 components are selected from the superbike. Within all the 16 components, we can see the figure has been shown. Okay, in this project, we have three objectives, which is to determine the life cycle of the superbike motorcycle production, to analyze 16 components that were selected from the superbike using the eco-web design, and to observe the environmental impact from the superbike motorcycle production by using the eco indicator. That's all from me. I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Good days, my name is Delgusi Pajak. I'll be present about the methodology and that is life cycle. Okay, first of all, LCT is life cycle thinking that is focused on production side and manufacturing process to include environmental, social, and economic impact of a product over its entire life cycle. The goal of the LCT is to reduce the product resource and emission to the environment as well as improve its socio-economic performance through its life cycle. Okay, for second is life cycle assessment, that is LCA. The definition is method of appraising the environmental impact of a service or product over its lifetimes. The goal of LCA is reducing the environmental impact with the more specific process called eco-design, that is from UMETA from 2019. This is life cycle of our product, that is Superbike Ducati Panigale 1199. Okay, there is 7 material that you use. That is plastic, glass, leather, rubber, cast iron, steel, and aluminium. For plastic, the part that from the school bag is fairing, windscreen, and headlight. And the glass is the mirror. Leather is for seat. Rubber for tire. Cast iron is engine. Steel is exhaust, foot peg, brake, drum, rear shock, drive chain, and lastly is aluminium, handlebar, and front fork. Basically, of the all the component of the superbike can be recycled except for the leather. And basically, life cycle for the product is start from the raw material and then going to uh, manufacturing and then into production and then going to transportation and then the product being used after being used and then withdraw and then be recycle. Then we'll be selecting for recycle and then the process will be start again with raw material except for the leather. The leather usually after it finish until it have the end of the life cycle is usually going to be repurposed and cannot be recycled until it cannot be repurposed again. Like seat, if it still can be used, it will be used after being seat, it will be used for the shoes. Okay, that's all.
Hello, my name is Ambrosius Elman, and I'm the third presenter for this group. And today I will talk about Eco Design Web. For this superbike, there are 6 materials that can be used to manufacture the superbike. First, steel, aluminium, plastic, polystyrene, cast iron, rubber, and last is glass. The first Eco Design Web is based on steel material. As we can see from the Eco Design Web, the steel have a very good characteristic. There are 6 components that use this material. The first one is fuel tank, exhaust, foot peg, chain, brake, and the last thing is rear shock. The second eco design web is aluminium. It's also same like the steel, and there are 2 components that use aluminium parts, which is front fork and handlebar. The third eco design web is plastic. As can we see from the eco design web, the plastic is very bad characteristic because it is bad for our environment. The part that use this plastic is windscreen, headlight, and fairing. The fourth material is cast iron. The eco design web also same like the steel and aluminium, and the part that use cast iron is engine and the rim. The next eco design web is based on rubber material. From the eco design web, the rubber also same like the plastic, have a bad characteristic, and the part that use the rubber is the tire. The last part for the eco design web is glass material. As we can see from the eco design web, the glass material is have a same characteristic, has the rubber and plastic, and the part that use this material is mirror. That's all for me. I will pass it to the next presenter.
Hello, I'm Philip Patrick, so I'm the fourth presenter of this group. So today I'm going to talk about eco indicator. It can be defined to identify the stage of the life cycle which has greatest life impact. It can be categorized into three groups, which are the production, the usage, and disposal. So the figure shows the manufacturing process involving the superbike. Now we're going to see the production and the use phase. From the above table, it shows that the production phase has greater life impact. It's due to the total points that acquired by the production phase is slightly lower. So now we're going to talk about the improvement on the design, which we have to change the material to improve the performance of the superbike. The major reasons why we need to change the material is mostly due to the lightweight, rust resistant, the flexible, and the strength of the material. So you can see the number of materials that we change to increase the performance.
Hello, it's me again. For conclusion, environmental design is one of the most significant aspects of the design process. The study was conducted with the goal of the designing and developing bikes that have a positive economic, social, and environmental impact. When the material can be recycled and the cost of the disposal can be reduced, the social and economic benefit will be enhanced. Okay. Design analysis that Design analysis tool that being used is life cycle thinking, eco web, and eco indicator are used to conduct the analysis process. Based of information that being gathered, the analysis will modify the material and minimize the part size. Okay, for all of it, everyone should have a responsibility for creating and designing a product that have both environmental and human life friendly. Thank you.